Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a quadrilateral is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that the sums of opposite sides are equal. Let us draw one quadrilateral PQRS which circumscribe a circle. PQRS which circumscribe a circle. Let PQ touches at point A, PS touches at point B, SR touches at point D, and RQ touches at point C. We know that tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. So PA equals to PB. Then AQ equals to QC. SD equals to BS, and SD equals to BS, and DR equals to CR. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get PA plus AQ plus SD plus DR equals to PB plus QC plus BS plus CR as PA, or we can write this as PA plus AQ plus SD plus DR equals to PB plus this QC plus BS can be written as BS plus QC plus CR. PA plus AQ equals to PQ plus, this is PA plus AQ equals to PQ, and SD plus PR is SR. Similarly here PB plus BS equals to PS plus this QC plus CR equals to QR. Hence proof.